Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to check your orders on Alibaba on 2025. If you order products for your business or personal use and want to see the shipping status, I'll show you exact steps to track everything easily. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone or visit alibaba.com on your browser. If you're not logged in yet, click sign in and enter your email or phone number. You'll now see a list of recent purchases. Each order shows its like processing, ship, or deliver. To track one, click View More or Track Order. You'll see details like tracking number, courier, info, and estimated delivery date. You can also message the supplier directly if there's any delay or issue. And that's how you check your orders in Alibaba in 2025. It only takes a few taps to see where your package is and when it'll arrive. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next one.